Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AI Masterclass series where I'm making AI concepts simple and easy for you to learn and understand. We are using the intern analog here for learning, so make sure that you watch all the episodes in this particular series. Alright, so today we are talking about training versus inference. Think of training equal to learning phase of the AI, whereas inference is answering phase. Training is when the AI will read massive amount of data. It learn patterns. It will improve its prediction rate. Inference is when you ask a question and you get an answer. That's called inference. Think of it like studying versus working. That's the key difference between training an AI model versus AI inference. Now, let me explain it a little bit more. During training, think of it like our digital intern example that I'm giving you in this series. During the training, the intern will read the documents. It will study examples, learn from mistakes, see millions of question and answer patterns. But during the inference phase, the intern is just answering you. He's not learning, he's just answering to you. Remember the most important part. When you chat with AI, it is not learning from you live. Remember that. It's only doing inference, not training. Now, what is the developer mental model you can think of? Think of it like training equal to building the model. And inference is like calling an API. When you are training, you are building the model. You're putting all the data, patterns, everything in one place. Inference is calling that API and getting the data back. You don't retrain. Every time you send a request, every time you ask a question, you're not training, you're just doing inference. Training, my friends, is very expensive and rare. Inference is fast and frequent. So, in simple terms, think of AI training equal to filling the brain, inference is equal to using the brain. The final takeaway is training teaches the intern, inference is the intern doing the job. I hope this concept of training versus inference is clear now. Subscribe, like, and share these videos. Follow the AI Masterclass series in order to learn all the AI concepts right here in simplified way. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.